How do you check if a cryptocurrency is doing well? There are so many tokens that are out there, and daily lots and lots of cryptocurrencies are added. But then you need to check and see what is the price now, what was the price last month, what was the price last year, what was the all-time price of these cryptocurrencies before you make a decision of buying. So we use CoinGecko to check this, and I am going to show you how to check using CoinGecko. So let's just go to CoinGecko so you can understand what I'm talking about. So this is the app that you're going to use to check if the crypto token is performing well. So if you do not have it, go to your app store or maybe whatever store you use to download and search for CoinGecko, and it will show it. Then you will download it. So as you can see with me, mine is already downloaded. I can only update. So I'm just going to close this and then open CoinGecko for me to be able to see the coins. So once you get to the screen, you will see all the cryptocurrencies and you can select any. So I normally go to top 100 and then from there I'll just check. But even if you go to top 150, those are the coins that are sort of doing well. So let's just look at this HNT. It is currently sitting at around $7. So I'm just going to show you quickly and then I'll jump into other coins. So when you open it, the screen will show. And then as it shows at the top, you will see the price of this coin, which is $7. And then in South African rands, it is 139. So you just need to change the currency from USDT to your currency. So our currency is ZAR. So I'm just going to select that so that I can see the actual money. 1 HNT, it's equals to 130. Now, do remember this used to be 2 cents at some point. So for 1,000 rand, you will get 7 of these coins. So now let's just go see how is this coin performing. So what you do, you see where there's 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 1 month, 3 months. You can click 1 hour and see how the coin has been performing in the last hour. So as you navigate, you scroll, the prices of these will change at the top. So can you see around to December 20, it was 750. So now let's just go and check another one. So I'm just going to check FET and then we'll go into more detail to this one. So the price of this one is $1.28, which is 23 rand. And then when you go down the last hour, you would see that the coin is not doing well in the last hour. Let's look at 3 months so you can see how much this coin was. So the last 3 months, let's just say October 13, it was $1.13, $1.25. So you keep checking the dates, but the highest it was $2, which was December 7. So for those of you who be trading, this is the time where you withdraw. But when it's low, you don't withdraw, you just leave it. So let's just see in rands how many coins you will get, maybe for 1,000 rand or even for 400. So let's just select our currency to make sure that we see. So for one coin, you would see it's 23. And then if you want to buy, let's say 1,000 of these coins, you will get 1,000 rand, you will get 42 of these coins. So you just keep checking the value if you bought. So let's look at maximum. So maximum is how the coin has been doing ever since it started. So the maximum that can be shown in CoinGecko, it could be more than that. But then from 2020, 2023, 2024, you see August to December 4, it was 190. So this is the price currently. So I want us to go to a coin that is doing well, and it is on top 5, which is BNB. So under BNB, you click it as well, and you just check the maximum of this coin. It is sitting around 12,000 rand, 186. Now, guys, do remember, as you scroll back, you see that 2019, this coin was $25, but now it is sitting at around $600. So 2021, it was $261. And then 2023, it was 222. So you keep scrolling and then you go to the last one, which is 661, which is December on the 12th. Yeah. So you just see the price as well. So that's how you would check. 1 year ago, you see that this coin, at least it's going up. So you can see that, okay, it's not really going down. I remember when I started, this coin was 200 and now it is 12,000 rand. So imagine if I bought more. So now let's change the ZAR as well, the currency to ZAR, so that we can see how this coin has been performing. So now we see 12,000 for one coin. If you were to buy 5 of these coins, you will need around 60,000 to buy 5 of these coins. So this is how you would check the coin. And please do remember that you can download this app and see how to do this. So also you can scroll down and see the market cap, which is the total asset value of this coin, and then the maximum supply. There can only be 200 million of these coins. So this is how you check, guys.